Just like that. It wasn't even the water. It wasn't even in the water. 20 seconds. That easy. Look at that. It's crazy. Yeah, it didn't even take 20 seconds. Yeah, there's so many fish in there. Yeah, I couldn't believe it. I don't know, I think so. Yeah, thank you. Oh no, come on, dude. Oh. No. There we go. Oh. Later, dude. Really should have put a weight on there, but you don't really need one. Already, look at that. These fish are crazy. It wasn't even in there 5 seconds. They're hungry. You could do this all day. There's even bigger ones in there. There's some about as big as my hand. There's got to be over 30 fish. There's a lot of frogs and turtles too. Come on. Not bad. Sorry, I gotta throw it. There we go. Alright, let's go for another. The bigger ones hang out by this drain pipe. I guess they've had enough. Oh, there we go. Wow, this one's tiny. Look at that. They just keep getting smaller. This one's gonna be hard to get off. Oh no, that was really easy. Look at that. Oh, I need to sit down. Nice. Back in you go. Alright, I'm gonna try the other side. The funny thing is you probably don't even need bait because these fish will bite rocks. They'll do anything. And hopefully nobody comes through here. Oh. This will probably be quick anyway. Not even 2 seconds. This almost could get to the point that it's just boring. Wow. Easy. Oh no, God. He flinched right as I threw him, so he hit the rocks, so that sucks. But that's all I'm gonna do for today. See, this scooter's so convenient, you just throw it back here. Should I ramp it? Should I jump it? Should I? Funny thing, I don't know if you guys can see it, but if you look like right about there, you can see there's a tree that has grown sideways out of the creek, and it's like got a curve and it goes all the way up. It's pretty cool. I caught at least 3 fish.
Really?
It only takes 20 seconds. One of them was 2 seconds. I got on video. It's great because I don't have to waste a lot of memory or battery on the camera, and I think they just bite the hook. Did you re-go?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow. Here, is that garage unlocked?
This one?
Yeah.